Okay, so I've done that, which is one out of there. I know it's only 128. It's an old Force LX Corsair, but it's reasonably good, still works. So the operating system's there. I've disconnected all the other hard drives, so let's see if the piece of shit's gonna start. Got a blue light. I should actually disconnect one screen. Oop. Straight into Windows. Yep, so far so good. Oh, a bit blurry. Right. I know this is a bit of a mix match, but everyone was laughing when I did the last upgrade from a 2-core CPU. What was that? A Dell. So now I don't think I've got anything private on my desktop. Oh yeah, and I cloned it using Medicat, which I just used a fast TF card and an adapter. I didn't have, because it's 128 gig, that TF card, and my USB sticks, the biggest one I've got is a 16 gig. So I needed something a little bit bigger, because it's about 22 gig for the Medicat, which is like the Horizon's boot disk. That fits on a one of these little drives, and I think they're 8 gig. I have it here. Yes, it's a laptop hard drive, so it will be going slower. Have a bit of a sleep. Right, we'll be back once it all starts.